Hello, judges. I'm Ayushman Nayak with my team, Charan, Ruhi, and Akshaya. Imagine going outside and breathing some air which is shortening your lifespan. That is air pollution. Air pollution is a silent killer which has killed over 4.2 million people globally. And in urban areas like India, we experience air pollution in more than 60% of the cities, and it needs immediate action. So our team has come up with a revolutionary solution which not only monitors it but also purifies.
Introducing the Dynamic Air Quality Monitoring and Purification Drone, a cutting-edge solution that combines real-time air quality monitoring with active purification. Equipped with advanced sensors, it detects pollutants like NO2. Our implementation plan involves developing these drones in key locations, integrating them with a mobile app for instant user alerts, and utilizing solar panels for sustainable operations.
Equipped with advanced sensors, this drone monitors pollutants like PM2.5 and NO2, providing real-time data. When pollution exceeds safe level, it activates a purifier to filter harmful particles, especially during events like wildfire. Also, as it is solar powered, it flies sustainably for extended period in remote areas.
Our dynamic air quality monitoring and purification drone enhances public health by providing real-time air quality data and actively filters the pollutants during spikes. This not only reduces respiratory illness but also equips governments with vital information for time regulations by engaging communities in air quality initiatives to foster collective efforts towards cleaner, healthier environments.